103 Nothing lasts forever. Have you ever had a moment you wish would last forever? Maybe a laugh with a friend, a warm hug from a loved one, or even a time when life just felt perfect? The truth is, nothing lasts forever. And while it may sound sad, it's actually what makes life so meaningful. Change is a natural part of life. Just look around. Season shifts, people grow, and even time keeps moving. Whether we want it to or not, nothing stays the same. And that's why every moment matters. Think about the happiest times in your life. They will last forever, but that's exactly why we treasure them. If joy was permanent, we might not even recognize its value. The temporary nature of happiness teaches us to cherish the people we love and the moments we share. But on the other side, struggles didn't last forever either. Hard times, pain, and even heartbreak can feel endless when we're in them. But it will eventually pass. Just as the life always gives way to a warning, every challenge will fade and leave us stronger than before. Just what I experienced. I wanted my parents to stay with me forever. I want them to be in my side at all times. But time goes by, they won't see in this world. Then I ask myself, why does everyone leave me at a moment of burden? I am scared for what the world takes me. Then, at the end, I realize that nothing in this world will last. Everything will come, everything will go, and turn into memories. So, nothing lasts forever. Not sorrow, not joy, and even life itself. And because of that, we must learn to live fully, love deeply, and move on to the present moment. And this saying goes, this too shall pass, whether good or bad. Every season of our life will come to an end. What truly matters